Hey, it is Mark Newstater, eXp Realty, and the Atkinson team. So, what happened in the month of October with our real estate market in Calgary? I think it's fair to say that sellers are having a couple of second thoughts about putting their homes on the market. So, with that, let's get to the stats. In the month of October, we saw 1,885 sales. That's down 13% year over year. New listings down 1% year over year to 3,233. Our total inventory then still up over last year, but 30% up, not the double inventory that we were seeing earlier in the year, to 6,471. Our months of supply means if no more new listings hit the market, how long would it take for current sales to eat up all that inventory? That was at 3.43. That is up 50% year over year. Now, when we get into our segments, our detached price did decrease 1% year over year to 744.4, but it really ranges depending on the area of the city that you are in. For example, in the Northeast, prices dropped around 1%, whereas city center detached home prices actually went up a couple of points. So it really depends. So reach out if you have questions about your area. Our months of supply, though, only 2.9. So we're still really in balance and sometimes shifting to a seller's market depending on the exact area. Our sale to new listing ratio, 64%. That is again trending at balanced. Semi-detached up 1% year over year, months of supply at 3, and our sale to new listing ratio of 57%, still in a good position like detached. And now we'll shift over on into row townhouses, where we've seen now record inventory on the market. And that's reflected in pricing, down 6% year over year, months of supply at 4, and our sale to new listing ratio, about half the homes that hit the market sold in October. And apartments finally down 7% year over year, months of supply at 5. This is the most challenged segment right now. And again, about half of those new listings are going to sell based on our October stats. So, as we always say, if you're selling, reach out. We have solutions for you. If you're buying, you know what? There are pockets of the market that you're going to be more in a buyer's market. There are pockets of the market where it's still very balanced and even trending to sellers. So the best solution for you is to DM me so we can jump on a call and figure out what your best next steps are. And if you're just curious about your market value based on those October stats, reach out as well. Have a great day, everyone.